7, the world witnessed an unimaginable tragedy at Tenerife Airport. Two massive jumbo jets collided, 583 lives. This is the story of the Tenerife Airport disaster, a narrative of chaos, miscommunication, and the lessons that forever changed aviation safety. Tenerife, an island of beauty and vibrant culture, became the unexpected stage for this disaster. A terrorist bombing at Gran Canaria Airport forced numerous flights to divert to Los Rodeos Airport. Los Rodeos, with its single runway and lack of ground radar, was not equipped to handle such an influx of flights. As planes crowded the tarmac, thick fog descended, reducing visibility to almost nothing. A perfect storm for disaster. Meet the crews of the ill-fated flights. KLM Flight 4805 was commanded by Captain Jacob Veldhuizen van Zanten, a highly experienced pilot. Pan Am Flight 1736 was led by Captain Victor Grubbs, another seasoned aviator. Despite their expertise, pressure, and miscommunication would lead these aircraft to disaster. As the KLM 747 prepared for takeoff, Air Traffic Control instructed the Pan Am 747 to taxi along the same runway and find an exit. But confusion reigned in the dense fog. Miscommunication turned simple instructions into a deadly misunderstanding. At 5:06 p.m., the KLM captain began his takeoff roll, believing he had clearance. Meanwhile, the Pan Am crew struggled to find their exit. Suddenly, the two planes were on a collision course. The Pan Am crew desperately tried to swerve off the runway as the KLM jet hurtled toward them. The collision was inevitable. The fiery crash left a scene of destruction and chaos. Of the 583 people aboard both planes, only 61 survived, all from the Pan Am flight. The KLM aircraft was completely destroyed. Investigators worked tirelessly to understand what went wrong. They discovered critical factors: miscommunication, stress, fatigue, and lack of visibility. Ambiguous language. Yet from this tragedy emerged a turning point in aviation safety. Communication protocols were standardized to eliminate ambiguity. Crew resource management was introduced to ensure all flight crew members collaborate effectively. Ground radar systems became standard at airports worldwide to prevent similar accidents. The Tenerife disaster claimed many lives, a loss still felt today. But it also brought invaluable lessons that have made flying safer for everyone. Each safe takeoff and landing pays tribute to those lost and the lessons learned from Tenerife. Let us know in the comments which disaster we should cover next. Together, let's honor those lost by learning from their stories. This is Deadly Crashes. Stay safe.